They just put this white table out and I'm like, that's so cute. I think it's $8 for this set. That's cute. We are at our Kingswood Rummage in our local city, so it's like miles and miles and miles of rummages, and I'm coming with a friend and my 3 kids, so I'm gonna bring you along on this adventure because that's what it'll be with kids, to see what we can find. There's always some places that have really expensive prices and some that are really good deals, so let's go enjoy this beautiful day that's sunny and not that windy and just a beautiful rummaging day. Lots of kids stuff for this one, huh?
I just seen that.
Oh, fine. I don't have space for anything big. Especially if they're like $1. That's cute. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking and see. This is more for wouldn't that be more for like a loaf pan or something? I like this one. It's got food on it, but got a few other things. This is cute. Harvest little leaf. They just put this white table out and I'm like, that's so cute. They repainted it, I can see, but that's fun. Oh, cute. Lots of Christmas. This one's cute.
This one's fun.
Like an Afghan.
That one's cute.
It is. I think it's $8 for this set. That's cute.
What's
How much for this? 10.
That's cute.
Only 10. That's cute. Oh, this is cool. I just don't like the frame, but
That is cool.
we are back home from our rummaging adventure, and the weather sure started to change. By the afternoon, we went and had a little picnic at a park, and it got cloudy and a little chilly. Made it home in time to make my afternoon latte, and I will share the haul. I will share the haul with you probably another day. So that was the fun little adventure. All right, so I'm gonna share the haul with you that we had with my kids and my other friend and her 4 kids. So it's probably less than I would have originally gotten, just because it's harder to buy things, pick up things, look around when you have 3 little ones and 4 other little ones, and it's just a lot, especially a lot of other people around too. So I might have missed a few things that now I'll see the footage of and didn't get, but I'll just share with you my decor pieces first, and then some clothes I found for my little boy and 1 shirt for me. So truly not a whole lot. First off is this jar. It says greetings 1984. This will go in my antique booth because I don't really use this color of decor. I use more of the croc, the tan croc style, not the brown. So it was $1 and I thought this would be cute. It looks like some Christmassy something that you could store on your kitchen counter with something in it. Who knows? But this will be a fun little piece to put in my antique booth. The next thing I am excited to have found is a butter bell. I had one a while ago that I just really loved and I got rid of it for some reason. And so I was on the hunt for a new butter dish because mine broke. I've just been using a mason jar with butter in it. And so butter bell, I'm gonna try it again and see if it will work for me. I think it will because it matches my style so much with that blue stripe and the cream / white color. It was $5, so that's okay. I've seen butter bells on Marketplace for like 10 or 15, and new I think they're a lot more than that. So $5 was not too bad, and I was looking for something like this. This piece was one of my favorites. I know it's from Hobby Lobby, it says on the back sticker, but I just love the watercolor look. Like this painting right up here that I have, I really am drawn to that watercolor style. And this is canvas, and the detailing of the little white beads on the edge is really pretty. The frame is pretty. It's just definitely me. And so I was so happy to have found this for $1. And so I definitely picked that up. It'll probably be going on my hanging shelves, my wire shelves that I put over my piano for summertime. It would even work well for fall time. I just was so happy to have gotten this beautiful piece for $1. Final decor style piece is this basket. You saw me look at quite a few baskets. This was $3 and I couldn't decide what basket I really wanted. There's one thing I've been trying to figure out what to do with on my kitchen counter. On the end, we kind of make it a landing station for paper, phone chargers, things like that. And it's just something I try to ignore and either tuck away or move. But if it always keeps landing there, just work with what happens in your space and make it doable but yet cute. So I might use this on that space. It has like some food on the edge there, so I might try to scrub that off. But for $3, I thought it was so cute. It's probably like 16 inches long, 5 inches deep, and 5 inches wide. So fun basket that was $3. If it doesn't work in that space, then I'll change it up. But I thought I need to figure out something for a space that I really don't enjoy what things look like open, so hide the clutter right in there. Or a space that just is like a landing zone for us that I need to make workable. All right, so a couple pieces of clothing. My first piece is just one shirt for me. It's a Lauren Conrad. It's like that gingham style. I thought this was so cute and airy for summer. It's got like a cap sleeve. It's got like a little bit of ruffle and a tie on the back. Actually, it's got a keyhole with a tie on the back. It's a black and white checker. And I thought that was just really cute. So I think I paid $2 for this, but I will definitely be wearing that this summer. It's so adorable. It kind of rises up a little bit on the sides, but for $2, I really thought that was adorable. Everything else is for my little boy. For $1, I got these slip-on shoes. He has them right now. These are great for learning to walk because they can feel the ground beneath them. And these ones are not worn out. He's been wearing his out because he's not walking quite yet, but dragging his feet. So his are getting worn out. These just have some triangle shapes on the front. This cute little summer elephant outfit I thought was adorable. I think it was $1. Just a little tan jumpsuit jumper, just one U made by Carter's, and then a polo shirt. This was a cute little outfit for summer. I think it was 50 cents. It is the junk food brand. I've actually never heard of that. So I thought this would be good for him. And then a couple t-shirts. This shark one, Old Navy brand. I think it was 50 cents. And then another one of those little jumpers for 50 cents, Wonder Nation. And this one just has a cute little pocket, blue and white stripe. So the thing is, when you have 2 girls and then you get a boy, you don't have all the hand-me-down clothes. And I have 9 other nieces and 1 nephew, so there is not as much for hand-me-downs. Final boy item, thinking winter here. It's a 2T, so hopefully by fall, winter, this will work for him. It was $2 is all. The brand is Cat and Jack, so I thought that would be a great jacket just to have because I don't have any winter jackets for my little boy when that time arrives. And then of course, my girls did pick up some of their toys. I got a few stuffed animals. I did pick up a couple books and just 2. And then, like I said, both girls found a couple items. So, like I said, not a lot for how many rummages that we did go to, but I've always said this, I try to be intentional with what I bring into my home. And even if I'm reselling items, like in my antique booth, sometimes I just think, what would people really want? What would not go well? How much do I want to pay? What will be the price difference? What do I want to make on this item? So all those things run through my mind as I'm looking. And plus, there's a lot going on while I was out rummaging. But this won't be the last rummage. I know we'll be going to more for sure as it is spring and this is the time of year to be doing that. So I hope you enjoyed coming along and seeing my little mini haul. And we'll talk with you in the next video.